Okay, so this is the Canon FD 51.8 that I have. You can see the conditions, the side, the front, the back. This is a serial number for this unit, and let me show you the ring. Okay, so the blades, they work. If you're close up on the lens quality from behind, alright, let me shine a light through it just in case to see if there's any fungus or anything that's not apparent on the screen. So this is a weaker intensity of the light. Let me shine it more accurately, sorry. Still learning how to aim. Okay. You know what, I'm just gonna shine it through it. Okay. Alright. Okay, so this is the lens that I'm gonna sell you. Thanks everyone.